English grammar, future continuous tense, active voice, how to write, where to use, examples. Future continuous tense. Any tense can be built with subject, helping verb, and rest of the sentence. Will be is the helping verb used with any subject in the future continuous tense. I will be. He, she, it, any singular will be. You, we, they, any plural will be. Verb in present participle, rest of the sentence. This is the common format for future continuous tense. Let's see how to build the verb present participle. Future continuous tense. Verb present participle can be built by adding ing into the verb. Examples: read, reading, go, going, study, studying, write, writing, cut, cutting. Future continuous tense. Examples: I will be cooking rice. You will be cooking rice. We will be cooking rice. They will be cooking rice. He will be cooking rice. She will be cooking rice. It will be cooking rice. So, will be is the helping verb for any subject and the main verb is in the ing form. Future continuous tense. Where to use? Ongoing action in the future. I will be traveling to Dubai tomorrow. You will be studying for the exam next week. Plan actions in the future. We will be living abroad next year. They will be watching the movie at 6 p.m. Polite questions about plans. Will he be joining the meeting? Will she be coming on time? Concurrent actions in the future. While she is studying in the class, her mum will be waiting outside. I will be working while they are relaxing. Predicting a future action in progress. Don't disturb him now. He will be meditating. She will be cooking when we arrive. Future continuous tense. Exercise. Listen to the sixth sentence with each subject. I will be playing cricket. You will be playing cricket. We will be playing cricket. They will be playing cricket. He will be playing cricket. She will be playing cricket. It will be playing cricket. Comment on your own sentence. Thank you.